Alright friends, add this one to your fall recipe bucket list. We are making sweet potato gnocchi with buttery sage sauce. And it's actually so easy. You'll start off by pricking a sweet potato, wrap it in a damp paper towel, and microwave it until soft. From there, we'll mash that sweet potato. You can do this either with a potato masher or with a potato ricer if you have one. An egg helps to bind everything together, and then you'll mix in flour and salt. You can add more flour as needed if the dough is too sticky, but the goal is to use as little flour as possible. Now you can totally leave the gnocchi as smooth little pillows. You don't need to do this classic shape, but if you're up for the challenge, the ridges help for the sauce to really cling to the gnocchi. I like to serve it in an herby, buttery sauce, finishing it off with a bit of Parmesan and cream. This recipe is a reader favorite over on Live Eat Learn with dozens of 5-star reviews. I guarantee if you make this for dinner, everyone's going to be impressed. Let me know if you try it out, and happy eating!